Do you want to use the green screen effect on TikTok? You can instantly change your background to any picture or video from your camera roll to make your content much more engaging. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To use the green screen effect on your TikTok video, first, open the TikTok app and tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to start a new post. Once the camera opens, choose Effects from the bottom, right next to the record button. Once you select one, you will see all effects option, just tap on it. In the effects menu, you can tap the search icon and type green screen to find it quickly. Tap on the classic green screen effect, which looks like a green square with an image and a small upward pointing arrow inside it. As soon as you select it, your background will disappear, and a new menu will pop up above the effects panel showing your camera roll. Tap on any photo or video from your gallery that you want to use as your new background. Once the background is applied, you can use two fingers to pinch, zoom, or drag yourself around the screen so you don't block any important parts of the image behind you. When you are perfectly positioned, hold down the red record button to start filming your video. Once you are done recording, tap the checkmark icon, then tap next to add your caption and post your awesome green screen video.